Motion capture, or Mocap, is amazing for 3D animation and 3D modeling. One of the problems with motion capture is how do you get it onto your characters? How do you make your characters have the motion capture that you've captured? Rokoko makes a great plugin for Blender. How do I install the Rokoko Blender plugin? Go to Rokoko Integrations/Blender and download the plugin. Once it's downloaded, go to Blender. In Blender, go to Edit, Preferences. Inside Blender Preferences, click Add-ons, click this little drop-down arrow, and Install from Disk. Navigate to where the zip file for the Rokoko Blender plugin is, select it, and then select Install from Disk. Once it's installed, you can close your Preferences window. Now, if I press N on the keyboard, I can open this panel, and I see Rokoko. You will likely need to install the required libraries, so go ahead and click Install Required Libraries for the first-time setup of the Rokoko plugin for Blender. You need to sign into Rokoko. You can make a free account at Rokoko with an email address. I have a video linked in the description showing how to do that. So sign into Rokoko. Once you're signed in and authenticated with Rokoko, you can go back to Blender. You'll see that you have the options to use Rokoko Studio Live. Hopefully this allows you to download the Rokoko Studio Live plugin for Blender and then authenticate and use it for your motion capture needs inside Blender. Happy 3D modeling!